After almost 15 years of discussions and planning, Houston County finally breaks ground on its new Justice Center. The current jail is the oldest in Minnesota. As News Channel 8's Jade Olds tells us, the size and location of the new Justice Center is still a touchy subject.
12 years ago, when Bob Klug bought his house on the corners of South and Pine Streets, Houston County was already planning to build a new jail and courthouse.
Nobody mentioned it to me.
Today, Klug's block looks much different. His neighbors' houses have been bought up and demolished to make room for the 65,000 square foot Justice Center that will house the new jail and courthouse.
I firmly believe that they do need a new jail. Their jail is old and it's outdated.
Police currently have to walk inmates from the jail to the courthouse and have no room for female inmates, but Klug believes going from a 14 to 80 bed facility is just too big. Obviously, he isn't happy about the location, but he's not the only Caledonia resident who feels that way.
I think a lot of people, me included, would have liked to have seen it on the outskirts of town.
Now that construction has started, the county is hoping residents will put the long debate behind them and move on.
I can't speak for the people of Caledonia. I'm sure there's two sides to every story, but I would hope that, they would accept it.
Something easier said than done at the Klug residence.
We enjoy our yard and we enjoy our porch, and I'm sure I won't be able to use either one for at least till the construction's done.
In Caledonia, Jade Olds, News Channel 8.
The Justice Center is expected to cost just over $17 million. That's $2 million less than originally budgeted. The new facility should be up and running by the end of next year.